In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook Pixel to Shopify. If you're running an online store through Shopify and using Facebook advertising, then it's crucial to learn how to effectively connect these two powerful tools. Doing so will enable you to track conversions, optimize your ads, and build targeted audiences. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Facebook Ads Manager account. This is your primary hub for handling everything related to Facebook advertising, so having it open is essential. Once there, navigate to the Pixels section within the Events Manager. Pixels play a vital role as they allow you to track user activities across your website, giving you keen insights into how visitors interact with your store. If you've never created a Facebook pixel before, don't worry, you'll find a button labeled Add a new data source, where you'll select Facebook Pixel. Make sure to give your pixel a distinct name, something that you'll easily recognize, such as your store name. Keep in mind you can have one pixel per ad account, which simplifies the setup process. Then, click Continue to move ahead. With your Facebook pixel ready, it's time to shift focus to your Shopify admin panel. Log into your Shopify account, and head over to the Online Store section, then click on Preferences. Here, you'll notice a section specifically for Facebook Pixel integration. Now, return to the Events Manager in Facebook, where you've just created your pixel, and copy the pixel ID. This ID is a unique identifier for your pixel and serves as a bridge between your Facebook account and Shopify store. Once you have your pixel ID copied, navigate back to Shopify. Paste this ID into the Facebook Pixel ID field you'll find in the Preferences section. Ensure you've pasted the ID correctly. Even a minor error could mean that your pixel won't work as intended. Finally, save the changes to ensure everything is correctly updated. By now, you've successfully connected your Facebook pixel to your Shopify store, but there's one last thing you want to do: test to make sure everything's working smoothly. Installing the Facebook Pixel Helper, a Chrome extension, can make this task a lot easier. Once installed, visit your Shopify store and use the Pixel Helper tool to confirm that the pixel is active and functioning. The tool will display a green check mark if it detects a working pixel, and it's a great way to avoid any headaches later on. That's all it takes. By completing these actions, you've set a solid foundation to better track your customers' behaviors, optimize ad campaigns, and ultimately, drive more sales to your store. As always, feel free to revisit steps and adjust them over time as your advertising needs evolve. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.